Hi, this is the VIVO S17 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. So as we could see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct. And we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. You should just hold for a while the fingerprint scanner because with a simple touch on it, you have no chance to unlock the device. So hold it for a second and you will automatically successfully unlock your device. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.